To begin registering your new business on the SSM EzBiz portal, create your profile first if you are the new user. If you are the existing user, simply log in with your credentials. Then, navigate to the My Business Services menu and select the option for New Business Registration. In the Main Information section, select Trade Name as your name type. Then, carefully enter your proposed business name in the designated field. Before finalizing your business name, it is crucial to review the SSM Guidelines for business name application. Ensure your chosen name is not too general, doesn't exceed 50 characters, and complies with all regulations to avoid rejection. 1 year equals to RM60 registration fee if you are using the trade name. If you are using own name, then it will be RM30 per year. Next, provide a clear description of your business activities. Then click Add Business Code. You can search for relevant industry codes using keywords like Internet or Media, and select the codes that best match your operations. In the description box, I have given the codes and description I used for my online business. My ST business is about digital courses, teaching people new AI skill with automation codings. You can follow it if it suits your business nature. If you are unsure on your business name, you can always refer to the guideline given. I have attached the link also in this YouTube video description. Please do not register for sole proprietorship. Use the improper names for the trade name. If you are still unsure, you can always refer to Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia SSM, which can be contacted for business registration and information via their customer care line at 0377214000, email at inquiry@ssm.com.my, or through the EzBiz online portal. The main office operates Monday-Friday, 8:15 a.m. to 4:15 p.m., with various state branches available. After completing all necessary sections, proceed to the Fees and Declaration tab. Review the total amount, check the box to confirm that your provided information is true, and then you can preview your application before submitting. Make the payment required. In my case, it is RM70, including the business info. Then you will receive email notification of the payment successful. You can check your application status. It will shown under the Process tab. Still feeling stuck on how to register your sole proprietorship? Don't worry, I can help you get it sorted quickly and safely. For RM50, you can book a 1-hour consultation where I answer all your questions. Or if you want to guarantee it gets done right today, grab my R140 Done With You Setup package. We will hop on a quick Google Meet, you share your screen, and I will guide you click by click through the exact EzBiz process so you are 100% SSM compliant, without ever handing over your private passwords. Just fill out the form in the description to get started. Thank you.